Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be explaining the question 543, the diameter of binary tree. Before starting, I want to emphasize that we will introduce two variables in a minute or so called left depth and right depth, and the initial values of these variables are not assigned 0 officially. But for the convenience, we will assume that is the case. I will provide the full code in the comment section as always. Let's look at the solution line by line. I want to start with the following three lines. Left depth is equal to dps root left. Right depth is equal to dps root right. Return maximum left depth, right depth plus 1. I covered what these codes do to the binary tree on a layer basis. In layer 0, we have node 0. In layer 1, we have nodes 1 and 3. In layer 2, we have node 3, 4 and 5. And finally, in layer 3, we have node 6. Let's find the left depth of the binary tree since it's a little simpler to do so. In layer 0, left node exists. Therefore, the algorithm goes to the node 1 and in that time, left depth becomes 0 plus 1 which is equal to 1. Since we have still left node to go, the algorithm goes to node 2. In that case, left depth becomes 1 plus 1 which is equal to 2. Since there is any node to go after the depth of the left root becomes 2. Now, let's look at the right side of the binary tree. Again, we start from layer 0. Right node exists, so from 0 to 2, the algorithm goes node 3. In that case, right depth becomes 0 plus 1, which is equal to 1. Afterwards, the algorithm goes either node 4 or 5. In both cases, the depth becomes maximum 1 plus 1 which is equal to 2. When the algorithm goes node 4, there is no nodes left to go afterwards. On the other hand, when the algorithm goes to node 5, there is still one more node to go, which is node 6. When the algorithm goes to node 6, right depth becomes 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3. This is a way to use the DFS algorithm. Now, the question asks us to find the diameter or the longest path of a binary tree. How can we do that? We can assign a global variable and record the maximum of left and right depth. In each layer, we can combine these values and compare that value with the previously recorded diameter. We need to do this in each recursion because the longest path may not pass from the root node. I hope this was helpful for the ones who have a hard time to illustrate DFS algorithm. Thanks for watching.